Hello and welcome to Apartment Cookery. Today we'll be making a cool and refreshing summer salad. First we will start with 3 tablespoons of red wine vinegar, followed by some lemon zest and a little squeeze of lemon. Now we will add about 1 teaspoon of ground garlic. Okay, let's add a pinch of salt and 1 teaspoon of oregano. Now we will put 4 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Make sure to shake well before using. This is about 5 to 6 leaves of lettuce, and you can use any lettuce you like. You could also use any greens you like. Make sure to wash very well. And if you like what you see, please make sure to subscribe and hit the notification button. We are a new and small channel and we appreciate it very much. Thank you. Let's now cut 1 cucumber and we're going to slice it pretty thick, about 1/4 inch. Okay, I'm going to slice 2 red radishes and I'm going to slice them fairly thin. We are now going to cut 1 avocado. And you're going to want to slice these about 1/4 inch. I am now going to add a few handfuls of some spring mix as well. And feel free to arrange your salad however you like. I'm doing mine sort of in a flower arrangement, just to kind of pay homage to summertime. You can add some garbanzo beans to the top, or whatever beans you prefer for a little added protein. Thanks for watching and make sure to check out more videos by Apartment Cookery. Have a great day.